guy and buy a fridge. We need to connect with the water. Oh, then yeah, there's something. Okay. Yeah, man. The big ones then. So 2 bathroom, yeah. I got a black room. Oh, you can't go. Oh.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really just know you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be touring the 3-bedroom new build by Paysetter Homes. This home is 1900 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, bonus room with double park garage, and it has the potential to have a second unit in the basement for a basement suite for investment or whatever, even though this house is an investment property. But just now you just saw the half bathroom. This is the pantry. The pantry is huge. It has double doors. Let's make our way upstairs into where the living quarters are. So here is the bonus room I was mentioning earlier. This is a huge bonus room, to be honest. Here is the full-size bathroom for these 2 rooms. So this is their secondary bedroom, decent size. The closet is not that big, but this is a decent size room, and you'll see how we're gonna set this up in the next clip in this video. Here is the 3rd bedroom right here. Lovely. What do you guys think? This closet is a little bit bigger. And now we're making our way over to the other side of the house. Here is where the stackable laundry will go. And this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is massive. And this is the ensuite with his and her sink, shower. What I would ask paysetters to start doing, guys, is to build these homes with 2 bathtubs, because we like the 2 bathtubs idea. Here is the master closet, and this is a big size closet. The room again, it's just in total awe of how big it actually is. Hi guys, so if you have a property and you are interested in doing Airbnb or setting up your Airbnb or even manage your Airbnb, you could give Alluringkeystreasures a call, because today they are our proud sponsors of this video. Thank you, Alluringkeys, for sponsoring this video. Go and check out their website and also their Instagram page, and tell them that Tori sent you. And thanks for watching. Here are some lovely reviews for them. Yeah, I'll link the links in the description for you guys. Peace. So this is our open concept living room, kitchen, and dining area. And guys, say hi to Mr. Karen. Mr. Karen is over there sitting and watching his iPad. But they did better for the fixtures in these houses. I like the black fixtures. These are very cute, and the window to the dining area is very nice. Over here you get a different angle of how the kitchen would look and all of that. And yeah, very nice, very white, very spacious, very clean. So we're gonna have to install the microwave, fridge, all of that stuff. This was just a walkthrough, and decent size pantry space, we call it, not pantry space, but decent size cupboards for storing all your items. These are very decent, like that. And this is where the microwave would go. The stove would go right over where that empty spot is. Yeah, I'm just opening up everything to look at it to ensure that each drawers have soft close. So yeah, what do you guys think? And I also realized with them, with Paysetter homes now, they're not giving you the water line to install for your fridge. So you have to pay the people who are doing the installation for you to set up the water line, or else your fridge is not connected to make ice or even to get water from it. But anyways, story for another day. But this is very nice. And here's another look of the pantry again from the different door. Yeah, this is Benero. We're just chatting up, and now I'm making my way downstairs. This is the basement, and as I was saying earlier, this is good for a basement suite, a 1-bedroom basement suite, and there's the window and everything is all set up, and all the electrical stuff is in one corner, so that you have your electrical room and then the kitchen and all of that stuff for your basement suite. So yeah, this is very nice and I like it. We're just chatting away about the space and comparing and contrasting, so don't mind us. But yeah, this is the hot water tank, the electrical panel for the house, all of that stuff. So yeah, what do you guys think of this home? It's 1900.
For the fill up for 50-inch.
So guys, now we're in Best Buy and we're TV shopping for Diane because we are doing her listing. So I guess this is one of the TVs that she'll be taking. Let's see.
So she said he can't hold in the car.
I'll do delivery for you guys. I'll work something out for you guys.
Okay,
Alright.
I just deliver by the house. Yeah.
When?
Deliver by
Okay.
me. Yeah. Okay.
I'll go grab the
Awesome.
TVs and then I'll walk you guys through
Awesome.
everything,
Thank
right?
you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. What else we need to get? Because we can. If there's something else we need to get here,
We can go.
we could just add it to the bill. If
What
there is
else?
Can I
What
say-
else,
Yeah,
Mr.
I'm about
Man?
this. Or just one you don't need, right?
Yeah.
Or that's it. Okay. Is there any sale on the ring camera?
No, not right now. But every Friday, like our sales do change. So if you check the website, like every Friday, if it goes on sale, then yeah, it'll go into. But for this week at least, nothing's on sale. Those ones right there.
No. And then what is this one?
For
The one that says smoke and CO listener.
oh, it's just for to detect. Sorry, to detect like if the house is like there's smoke or any
If somebody's smoking inside of it.
like smoke or like if something's burning, like detecting if there's a fire that's about to like start, it'll just alarm. Like a fire detector essentially.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So no.
Alrighty.
So take the camera.
That's the one that you guys
Eh?
want, right?
Which
That's the one
camera?
you guys want? Yeah.
That take a chance.
Yeah, check it
Just
now.
take it since it.
Like same price.
Since I see in price. We were looking to see if they have cheaper ones online, but same price.
Just the exact price.
And that was a Cuisinart you guys were looking for?
Yeah. So this is our list.
Let's go see the bill.
Hey!
After we
Where's the other TV?
Everyone must take one of that. The TCM.
So Diane, I want this to go in my bathroom. I just tell you from now. So this is what I want for my gift.
This thing, what is this?
Don't embarrass me now after me know.
Oh, scale?
No, it's a TV and a computer and
See too much.
so when me in my
Somebody
bathtub,
bathroom, you can then bathroom and I just up on TV.
me I watch my TV and I soak in my bath.
Like seriously.
Me need.
But Mr. People put it on the wall. Mr. People have another match with the wall. But then you have to have the one with the water where something with the frost.
Yeah, man.
Because the steam.
Yeah man, this more and Diane, okay? Just so you know. I watch that video, you don't need to sponsor your girl, eh? You don't need
I
to.
know, we just took 3 TVs.
Yeah,
like,
you
that's
need-
right. We
you
took
need
ring
for
camera,
sponsor
We took
us.
a pot set, like, for
Yeah.
real now. Come
Best
on.
Buy.
We're at Best Buy, West Edmonton. Best Buy.
So you guys need to reach out to us
Yep.
and give us a sponsorship deal. We're waiting
Very
for
much
it.
So, like and subscribe.
Yes. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Okay. That is it. Look on that frame TV, yeah. Hey.
This one?
Hey. It look like a picture,
This is like it, yeah,
picture frame, you know. It's a TV. It's a picture. The frame.
It's only $700, $800.
A lie, tell. Stop it. I must see sound bar for $800. Oh.
Sorry, I thought
See price there. LG, if you want the business with me too, me up for it. Somebody need to sponsor my video. Like, you don't need, no man. Me I put myself out there. This is like a movie theater, yeah.
Yeah. Like the sound effect though, you can get your camera, like just get the...
Yeah,
the
you can get the
thingy.
bars to them there. Ask the guy for you to. Anything you want, you know, ask it.
This is for the surround sound?
Yes,
This
sir.
part? Oh, I see a lot of people didn't know say for it. $100 and something dollars?
Yeah, it's not that expensive.
Sound bar.
And you go boom.
Yeah.
And people are doing record
Some people
players
have, like,
now.
a little box, like,
Yeah,
some
that's
people
a
have
back
little
in
box
the days.
corner
That's a back in
for
the
the-
days.
No, people still have it now.
Really?
Now inflation.
You can't go.
Got
Oh. So you see, Diane
If
rich.
it was free, now it's 25 cents.
And the ring. So, yeah, us.
And then when the other one comes, I'll bring back this one.
I told you this before, and it is an idea.
I know it's the one that was right here.
So, we are furniture shopping now for our space. So that is that. We're doing some furniture shopping, and you saw we got our TVs just now from Best Buy. So we just got 3 TVs from Best Buy. Got a pot set. So now we're getting some furniture.
But I just put the budget now. I leave this off. We'll just put the bed in here. But we can use this until the other one comes.
Which one? No, this one, but you want this?
No, for the living room. Which one you want to give me until... So this will go with
I'll
the
find it.
sofa?
Not this. I'll find it. Yeah, it will go.
Alright, so we just use this until the other one comes.
Okay.
So it's a loaner.
I'll send you over.
Make sure you order the other one in the mic.
Huh?
Make sure you order the other one, the wooden one. It's the
7,
wooden one I want.
2, 3, 7. I ordered already.
Yeah.
7, 2, 3, 2, 3, 8.
When the other one comes, we just put it back.
You don't want to see how the camera making it pretty.
Because it is pretty, you need.
Sure, you didn't see anything because I don't want anything wrong.
It's called Best Home Furnishing, and yeah, this is the number if you could see it. So guys, now we're in Dollar Tree and it's 6, I don't know, it's not gonna show my alright, let me spin it around. It's 6, what
6:58.
6:58 p.m.
You like these type of
You want some big one like that? Talk about two of them. Yeah, cloth material,
like it
cotton.
modern.
Oh, then y'all, it's something I've already have ice maker, eh? Ready to set up.
Yeah, the cotton board.
You buy. Okay.
You know, buy them these things.
Yeah, man. The big ones then. Me have them here in the house, hard. To say meat, and the other one of the fruits. Pan them and see which one have 3 in it different from which one have 2 in it. Alright, so
14 or 14.
14 in total, yeah. So you hear? Measure it. Airbnb, you don't need to go expect it. Then it's easy to replace. You have ice cream scoop and then somewhere. Alright, let me spin it around. They want some big one like that? Take about 2 of them today. So them can put food and stuff in it for storage. So you put this down and then for 2 bathroom. Yeah.
Green, I think I bought a black thing. And because it's a good
Or you just put them in. So guys, this is what I'm telling you about. Alluring Keys assist you in getting your place set up, helping you to assist you with furniture shopping and all of the 9 yards to get the listing up and ready. Even maintenance person to install all of those locks, everything from the startup all the way to management, getting the property listed, and all of these things. So big shout out to Alluring Keys again for sponsoring today's video. Okay, guys, thank you. Go check them out if you are a homeowner and interested in getting your Airbnb set up. Please reach out. Thank you. Bye. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. Let's get the word out. Let's get the word out that Alluring Keys assist in setup of Airbnbs all around the world. And yeah, we're just one email away or one phone call away. And share it with a friend. Tell everyone about what we're doing over here. We're doing good things. So please share it up with each other. And we're going to share the finished look of this property once everything is done. Hope you like this video. Again, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And we're banging over here.